1 out of every 10 Americans pays for some form of off-site personal storage. It's no surprise that the mini storage industry has been a top growth sector for over 35 years. Entrepreneurs who are looking to capitalize on this trend can enjoy streamlined operations, attractive storage features, and outstanding long-term revenue projections by making use of a steel-framed mini storage building available from General Steel. Steel-framed mini storage buildings provide a host of benefits when compared with traditional building styles. Property and business owners get more value and faster return on investment from steel construction, as steel-framed buildings from General Steel are quicker and easier to construct, less costly to heat and cool, and they require less maintenance over time. And because of how important safety and security is for mini storage business owners, steel buildings are the obvious choice over and above post-framed structures. General Steel mini storage buildings are not susceptible to fire, wood rot, or termite infestations. Your shipment of building materials can include everything needed to enclose the mini storage structure, from primary and secondary framing to exterior siding, roofing, and doors. Nothing is left out, resulting in a lightning-fast construction timeline and faster access by paying customers. With a pre-engineered steel-framed mini storage building from General Steel, it's possible to recoup building expenses within just 6 months of business operation. Mini storage buildings have floor plans that are perfectly suited to modular, steel construction. General Steel buildings have expandable end walls and interior partitions that allow for virtually unlimited flexibility in storage unit size, placement, and access points. Mini storage customers want to know that their property is going to be confidently secure and protected, and nothing conveys this better than the strength of steel. General Steel mini storage building kits are available in a wide variety of sizes, any of which can be customized and modified to suit your needs. Our smallest mini storage building kit is 15 feet by 100 feet, which allows for 7 individual storage units measuring roughly 170 square feet in size. Add length in either the length or width dimensions to increase the storage unit quantity or per unit square footage, all the way up to 40 feet by 200 feet, or even larger. All General Steel mini storage kits are backed by a 50-year structural warranty, and when you purchase a mini storage building kit from General Steel, you get access to a dedicated project coordinator who will be your single point of contact for all questions and updates throughout the construction process. Need help locating a contractor to erect your new General Steel mini storage building? We can help with that too. Let us put our network of trained qualified contractors to work for you. Our goal is the total success of your steel building project, from start to finish.